If your stomach is all in knots and you're running in and out of the bathroom, you might want to consider trusting that gut feeling that something's not right with your digestive system. Here are 7 signs you may be dealing with ulcerative colitis. Number 1, you have diarrhea. When ulcerative colitis flares up, inflammation damages the lining of your intestines so that they lose their ability to absorb all the water in your waste. This leaves your stool loose and watery. When your ulcerative colitis is in a period of remission, a high-fiber diet can help keep your condition at bay. But during flare-ups, you might want to avoid high-fiber foods, as they can worsen diarrhea symptoms. Number 2, you have frequent and urgent bowel movements. Looser stools mean that when you have to go to the bathroom, you have to go now. Sometimes you may even experience the urgent need to go to the bathroom and find you're unable to go. That's because your bowels may be so inflamed that they feel like they're actively moving waste in a hurry. Number 3, you have blood or pus-filled stool. When inflammation damages the lining of your intestinal walls, it can leave ulcers or lesions, like little potholes carved in the side of your intestines. These holes in your intestinal walls tend to bleed or excrete pus when they're irritated. Number 4, you're having severe cramps. If you're dealing with inflammation, you might also experience an increased level of gas. This can feel especially painful during flare-ups or after eating certain foods that are carbonated, high in fat, or greasy. Number 5, you feel nauseated. Sometimes your pain may be so severe that you experience nausea or a lack of appetite, which can lead to additional hunger pain. Number 6, you may feel fatigued. Because you're flushing so many nutrients out of your system and your intestines aren't absorbing as much water as they should, you can end up feeling dehydrated, fatigued, and sluggish. These feelings often follow a flare-up. Number 7, you experience sudden, unexplainable weight loss. The constant flush of nutrients from your body, coupled with nausea, diarrhea, and a lack of appetite, may lead to a sudden drop in weight. This might also add to your extended bouts of fatigue and lack of energy, too. Ulcerative colitis, like other types of inflammatory bowel disease, is a lifelong condition. The longer it's left unmanaged, the more damage it can cause, leading to increasingly worrisome problems like anemia, colon cancer, or osteoporosis. If you're concerned you may have ulcerative colitis or that you've experienced any of these symptoms, talk with a healthcare provider today.